Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the other one I did was going to be if you were going to engrave it and leave the wood natural so you could see the text. This one, if you're going to paint it, it needs this. This is going to fall. This is going to break. These basically look like ribs of a rib cage. So grab you a star tool and put stars on every one of these. And, you know, this one is going to be a little short space, so you could maybe put it there. And then let's get this name out of the way and let's weld these. So it already looks cool. It looks like it's planned. And then you could put your name. I've already converted this to a curve. So let's put a name in here and size it down a little bit. And that's what I'm saying. If this way it's only being held up by part of the name. And you could actually use the envelope tool to give it a little bit of curvature like it is. So grab your envelope tool and, you know, bring this down a little bit. You can bring this down about a little bit. You could bring that up, bring this up. You could bring that back up a little bit. Because you just don't want, you want every letter welded, but you don't want too much so it'll still be readable. And then just grab the whole thing again and weld it. And this is what it's going to look like. I actually think this looks a lot better. And I like the kind of the curvature. It's almost like text a path. I messed up on this star a little bit. I should have put it down more so, but I didn't, you know, take the time. But this is going to be strong. You know, you got things on both sides. And you could put a star or two on this side, you know, where you have room. Just kind of like space out the stars. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.